Afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are good and doing. Stay home, stay safe, and maybe the study of our online lecture series and study all the materials we were provided by me and other teachers also. Okay, so today we study about your plate tectonics topic. It is your unit fourth topics. So unit fourth is the last unit of your syllabus. So we discussed these unit in more 2 or 3 days. Plate tectonics we continue for tomorrow and tomorrow onwards also. So today we discuss plate tectonics. So now we discuss plate tectonics one by one. First of all, today we discuss the plate tectonic, what is the plate tectonic and the history about the plate tectonic and the plate boundaries. Okay, so now we discuss one by one. So first of all, the plate tectonic. What is the basically a plate tectonics? Plate tectonic is basically a term that is a surface as divided into a few large thick plates, few large thick pieces. So plate tectonic is Earth's surface is divided into a few large thick plates that moves slowly and change in a size. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स क्या है, दैट्स वन divided into a few large thick pieces of plates जो कि आपका slowly change in size में है. Plates is in a large mobile slabs of rock that is a part of Earth's surface bounded on the four sided by weak plane surfaces. The plate consists of crust, upper part of the mantle. Okay, basically हमने एक theory पढ़ी थी before we discuss the theory about a continental drift. जब जिसको कि आपके वैगनर ने बताया था कि वैगनर ने कहा कि आपके जो भी क्या है कॉन्टिनेंट्स है वो क्या हुए आपके डिवाइड हुए बाय द मोशन ऑफ प्लेट्स. तो वो प्लेट ऑफ मोशंस की वजह से ही हम कह रहे हैं वो दैट्स अ टेक्टोनिक इवेंट्स. तो टेक्टोनिक इवेंट्स जो आता है दैट्स इवेंट्स ऑन डिपेंडिंग ऑन द प्लेट मोशंस. द प्लेट मोशंस एक्टिविटीज आर कॉल्ड a plate tectonic. So basically the plate tectonic is a earth's surface is divided into a few large thick plates that move slowly and change into the sides. The large mobile slabs are rock that are part of our surface bounded on a four-sided by weak plane surface. The plane consists of crust and upper part of the mantle. So now earth crust moves. The continents have not always been arranged like they are today. जैसे आज आपको दिख रहे हैं कॉन्टिनेंट्स जरूरी नहीं थी कि आज जैसे हैं वैसे पहले भी होंगे. पहले एक कंटिन्यूअस था जबकि हमने कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट में पढ़ा है. द Pangaea is a part of the our super continents. All the continents are divided by the Pangaea. Okay, the earth crust is divided into a segment called plate. So earth's crust is divided into the segments that calls a plates. Okay, so the plate tectonic, the earth crust is made of pieces of rock called is a tectonic plates. The plate tectonic is a study of how the earth crust is shaped by geological forces. It is relief on the understanding that the crust is divided into a large pieces of plates that sit on the molten interior of the planet. ओके, सो प्लेट टेक्टोनिक क्या है आप स्टडी करते हैं द अर्थ क्रस्ट की किस तरीके से आपके डिफरेंट जियोलॉजिकल फोर्सेस ने इसको शेप दिया. इट रिलीव्स द अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्रस्ट इज डिवाइड इनटू अ लार्ज पीसेस और प्लेट्स. Okay, the molten interior of the planet. The theory was formulated in the 1960 and 1970 as new information was obtained about the nature of ocean's floor, earth, ancient magnetism, the distributions of volcanism and earthquake, the flow of heat from Earth's interior, and the worldwide distribution of plants and animal fossils. Okay. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पहले बेसिकली प्लेट टेक्टोनिक के बारे में जानने से पहले हमें स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अर्थ का पता होना चाहिए. जैसे कि आपको पता ही है फिजिकल जियोलॉजी में आपने इंटीरियर ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अर्थ का स्टडी की है तो उस पर हम जस्ट जनरल आइडिया आज इसमें देते हैं. देन वी गोइंग फॉर प्लेट टेक्टोनिक movements. Okay, so the interior of the earth is divided into a layer based on chemical and physical properties. Earth made up by three main layers: the core, mantle, and crust. The earth has an outer silica-rich solid crust. As you know, the structure of earth, the crust, mantle, and core. The earth has an outer silica-rich solid crust, highly viscous mantle, and a core comprising of liquid outer core that is much less viscous than the mantle and is a solid inner. Okay, the structure of Earth में first of all the crust. This is where the we live, जहाँ हम रह रहे हैं. The outermost layer that's a 5 to 100 kilometer thick, made of oxygen, silicon, and aluminum. The Earth crust is made of two crusts. That's a continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust is thick around 10 to 70 kilometer, and oceanic crust is 7 kilometer. Is buoyant, the less dense than oceanic crust, mostly old, younger rocks in oceanic crust, and the dense sink under continental crust. ओके, ये बेसिकली आपके पार्ट्स ऑफ हम अर्थ क्रस्ट के बारे में आपको डिफरेंट थिंग्स आपको जस्ट स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ अर्थ क्रस्ट, क्योंकि हम जो भी आपका मैन क्रस्ट है किस पे फ्लोट करा दैट मेंटल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वन. सो नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स. So, history of plate tectonic. The theory of plate tectonic has largely been developed since 1967, but the history of idea extends back considerably longer. The theory of plate tectonic states that Earth's outermost layer is fragmented into a dozen of large small plates that are moving relatively to one another and top of mobile astronosphere. So, before the advent of the plate tectonic, however, some peoples already believed that the present-day continents were fragment pieces of pre-existing large mass, a landmass that's supercontinent Pangea. The plate tectonic is the relatively new scientific concept introduced in the 19th century. The plate tectonic theories provided the explanation to the distribution of earthquakes, volcanic activity zones around the globe. Abraham Ortelius in 1527 to 1598, he was the first to note the similarity of suggest and ancient Spartans in 1556. He suggests that America were torn away from Europe and Africa by earthquakes and floods. Alexander von Humboldt, the German explorer Humboldt, also noted the geometric and geological similarity of the opposite shores of the Atlantic, but also suggests that the Atlantic Ocean was formed by catastrophic events. Catastrophism versus uniformitism, a principle that states that the catastrophic events have been important in Earth history and modify the path of slow changes. Uniformity, the principle that states that geological changes occur over the long period of time. In addition, process that scientific law operating today also operated to the past time. Okay, geological event can be explained by forces observed today. Catastrophism, it is a theory that the Earth has been affected in the past by sudden, short-lived violent event, possibly worldwide in scope. This was in contrast to uniformitism. Okay, that's a different. James Sutton, in the mid of 19th century, concept of catastrophism is replaced by the uniformitism or equism proposed by the Scottish geologist James Hutton in 1785. The principle uniformitism, commonly stated as present, is the key of the past. Okay, it means slow process going on at when the Earth's surface today have been going on throughout the geological time have shaped the surface recorded. However, the geological forces acting on the Earth today are same as those that have acted in the geological past time. Continental drift also be a part of the Alfred Wegener theory in 1912 is a part of Earth's crust slowly drifted on top of the mobile astronosphere. Wegener hypothesis all to the continents were assembled in the supercontinent 225. That's Pangaea means all Earth. Pangaea was supercontinent consisted of all of the Earth landmass. Okay, Laurasia, then Gondwana land. You already talk about that one. That's a flow diagram of continental drifting. The Pangaea is divided Laurasia and the Gondwana. The Laurasia is divided North America and Eurasia. And Gondwana, India, Africa, and Australia, Antarctica, Australia, then is divided to different parts. Okay. The two supercontinents were separated: Paleocean oceans, Paleothethian oceans, the oceans surrounding them, the Panthalsa, literally all oceans. Okay. Already discussed these are things showing just pass out these one. So we discussed about plate tectonic. What is the basically the plate tectonic? Plate tectonics is a part pieces of a earth crust is mobile is floated on the mobile astronosphere. The plate is divided some boundaries. Okay, so plate boundaries that refers to the border between two adjacent lithosphere plates, usually classified by the relative motion taking place, convergent, divergent, and transform. The plate boundary can occur on landmass or in marine setting or both at the same time. We show you some internet features that see the different plate tectonic boundaries is showing in this one figure. That's the different plate boundaries. Okay, so discuss the continents. Okay. The Earth's major tectonic plates. The outermost part of Earth's structure is known as the lithosphere. The lithosphere consists of the crust and a small portion of the upper mantle. The lithosphere is divided into a number of tectonic plates. These plates move and interact with one another, driven by the convectional forces within the Earth. The map of the top this page shows the geographic location and extent to 15 major lithospheric plates. सो बेसिकली क्या है आपका जो प्लेट है दैट्स आर लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट जो कि आपकी एस्ट्रोनोस्फीयर पे फ्लोट कर रही है उस पर डिफरेंट कर रही है और वो पीसेस जो आपकी लिथोस्फीयर है इज डिवाइडेड इनटू सम पीसेस उन पीसेस को हम प्लेट कह रहे हैं एंड देन द प्लेट्स जो है वो किससे डिवाइड हुए हैं द कन्वेक्शन करंट थ्योरीज की वजह से वो कन्वेक्शन करंट को हम कह रहे हैं ड्यू टू दिस प्रोसेस दैट इज कॉल्ड जो स्टडी करी जाती है दैट्स अ प्लेट टेक्टोनिक स्टडी इन द थ्योरी ऑफ प्लेट टेक्टोनिक सो जो आपका हमने जियोग्राफिकल डायग्राम दिखाया अगर हम वर्ल्ड की बात करते हैं वर्ल्ड मैप की बात करते हैं तो ये प्लेट्स क्या है डिफरेंट 15 लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट्स में डिवाइडेड है कौन कौन सी प्लेट्स हैं आइए देखते हैं 15 major plates are the African plate, Antarctican plates, Arabian plate, Australian plate, Caribbean, Coco, Eurasian, Indian, Yunnan, the Fuca, Magica, North America, Pacific plate, and the Philippines plate, and Scotia and South America plate. These 15 plates, the major tectonic plates are on the world map. Okay. अगर हम बात करते हैं कि आपका जो प्लेट बाउंड्रीज है नेक्स्ट में आपको दिख रहा है कि डिफरेंट बाउंड्रीज आपके डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स आपके जैसे यहाँ पे क्या आपका डाइवर्जेंट है ये डाइवर्जेंट है यहाँ पे आपका कन्वर्जेंट हो रहा है यहाँ कोलाइड्स हो रहे हैं और कहीं पे आपका मूविंग पास डाउन होता है सो डिस्कस टू दिस now the plate boundaries the edge of earth lithospheric plates have boundaries which are both well defined